Now you're not going to do it, are you? Nope.
You need to kind of go towards your face a little more. Towards your face. There. There. Go right about there.
Someone's got the hiccups.